Hey everyone, and welcome back. Now that we've hit the cold autumn days, what better way to welcome them than with a perfect comforting dessert. Caramel apple crumble is delish and my twist on toffee apple and apple crumble. Okay everyone, let's start baking. We're making the crumble top first. For this we need porridge oats or oatmeal, all-purpose flour, cinnamon and light brown sugar. Pour them all into a bowl and mix together until all the ingredients are combined. Into this add the melted butter and mix it in. Another way to make the crumble top is to use cold butter, cut it in little pieces and rub it into the mixture until it resembles breadcrumbs. Now for the apple filling, pour the sliced cooking apples into a greased oven-proof dish. This dish I'm using is 8 inches in size. Sprinkle over the white sugar and the cinnamon and using a fork give everything a good mix. Now for the toffee apple flavour, pour over some salted caramel. This sauce is divine, it's homemade, and if you want to make it, check out my salted caramel tutorial on this channel. The final step is to pour the crumble over the apples and pat it down. Bake in a preheated oven for about 45 minutes. When baked, allow to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes before serving. It's a lovely golden brown colour, just the way I like it. Apple crumble is gorgeous with custard and ice cream, but my favourite way is hot out of the oven with a big scoop of vanilla ice cream and even more caramel sauce poured over it. Sure, why not? This caramel apple crumble is a real comfort food. It's simple to make, so why not try it out? Thanks everyone for watching. I do appreciate all your support and kind comments on my channel. Hope you enjoy this caramel apple crumble recipe. Happy baking everyone!